Guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna share with you on how to make money online using your cell phone. Yes, using your cell phone. So stay tuned because I'm gonna take you through on how to make money online. Before I share this with you on how to make money online, I want to ask you guys for a favor. Please subscribe to Zimbabwe TV and make sure you click the little bell icon so that next time when I upload new videos, you get notified. Alright, so before I share this with you, I also want to make a disclaimer on I know people get scared when it comes to sharing information and going on those apps or visiting those apps, and I also get scared when it comes to applications. Anyway, so right, the first thing that you can do to make money online is reading books. Yes, you heard me right. This is only for those who likes reading a lot. So if you like reading, this is for you. So what you have to do is you have to visit a website. I'm gonna leave the links on the description below. Just check in the description and you get all the links of those websites that can pay you for just reading the books. So what you have to do is you have to visit the website, sign up your name, your email address and so forth. Then you download a book of your choice of any category you like, be it science fiction, romantic, any you like. Then normally they'll give you like 2 weeks to read the book. Then after you finish reading the book, you go back, you sign up, you go back to your account, then you just put up a review. The review, you have to write what you think, what you experience when you read the book, what you like, what you didn't like. It's up to you on what you're gonna write about the book. And also the other thing is when you do the review, you have to make sure that when you come across something that was not nice, maybe, or something that was ugly, or maybe profane language that was in the book, you don't have to mention where it was or which paragraph or page. You just have to say overtly. So the question is, how much do you get paid for just reading a book and review it? The first book, they don't pay you on the first book, but the second, the third and so forth, that's when you start getting paid. They pay you between $5 and $60 depending on how popular the book is, maybe the type of content of the book, if the book is on demand or things like that, the factors like that. And once you finish reading the first book, they will send you offers for books to choose to read from different categories, and you can choose the book that you like. And the offers depends up to you. If you like the offer, you just download the book, you read it, do a review, and normally they give you 2 weeks. If you need more time, they can also do that and do adjustment, maybe 3 weeks or 4 weeks, whatever way. Remember, I'm gonna leave all the links of the website that you can go or you can visit and read books and get paid for just reading a book. The second thing that you can do to make money online is teaching a language. Right, so there is an application called iTalk. So what you have to do is you have to download that application on your phone. Then there are 2 types of teachers that are on the website. There is what they call a professional teacher and a community tutor. The difference between the two is, for a professional teacher, you must have some sort of a degree teaching English as a foreign language certificate, which is TEFL. I will leave the link below where you can get that. You must also have some sort of employment history. You also have to upload your CV. You must record a video that is between 1 to 3 minutes, probably talking about yourself. And for community tutor, what you need is just to be able to speak English, native English, to what they call C2 or something like that. And that means you have to be like fluent. You have to be very good, like when you're at a conversational level. Then you must also record 1 to 3 minute video. So normally they will assess you based on your video, like what you'll be saying in your video, your introduction, what kind of probably they want to see how you speak, how you talk, how good is your English through the video. A professional teacher, you'll be teaching kids conversations, test practice, test preparations, and general business. Community tutor, you'll be just teaching. Actually, you won't be teaching, but you'll be doing conversations with somebody who wants to learn or how to make conversations, how much do you charge or how much do you get paid? Roughly, it ranges up to $8. So what you per lesson, up to $8 per lesson. So what you have to do is when you put your profile in the app and they approve you, you have to display how much you charge. But you have to kind of like, you know, stay within the range, because I mean, you don't want to spend months without anybody hiring you to for you to teach them. And for a community tutor, what you'll be covering is like just general conversation practice, and they'll be just calling you to have a conversation. So the most important thing is you must have a good, reliable internet, especially for the community tutor, because people that want to have a conversation with you, they can call you at any time, and or they can see that maybe you're online and they call you just to have a conversation, and you get paid for that. And I think you get paid like up to like $4 for the time that you do those lessons, depending on how much or how long the lesson is going to be. And you also, again, when you sign up your profile, you have to put how much you charge per lesson. But in mind, you must also know that you have to stay within the range. You know, you don't want to spend a lot of time or to wait without anybody hiring you, maybe because your price is way too high, you know, something like that. So just put that in mind. One more thing, when you apply on iTalk, you must display which language you want to teach. It could be English, it could be Asian, it could be any other language, or it could be French. The most important thing is you must display which language you are going to teach. And one other thing is, even if when you apply and you fail or you don't pass or they don't hire you, they will explain to you why they didn't hire you. Those are the two things that I had for you: reading books and teaching language. So thank you very much for watching, and make sure that you subscribe to ZimAfro TV and click the little bell icon so that next time when I upload new videos you get notified. Booyah!